going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Travis here, Isaiah over there.
What's up, dog?
He is the new shop hand. I don't know if we've introduced him yet, but he has been kicking ass today. Let me show you what he's been working on here. So the other day, we did build a fuel cell frame on the bottom there, and then some strap down, hold down straps up over the top. Everything is bolted down. Everything goes through the floor into nut zerts. There's one on each side and two on the front. And then on the straps, it just has one in each end. So there's two on each strap. So, and then we did get the big giant, what is this, a 15-inch sub anchored down here. We bent these custom little brackets to step over the stick out part on the box there. So these are as well nut zerted down into the floor and then just wood screwed into the box. We have it done here on both sides, so that is not going anywhere.
Yeah, that thing is extremely heavy, by the way. Not so fun to carry around and fit.
Yeah, this sub is really obnoxious to move, so we wanted to make sure it was anchored down pretty good. So over here on the driver's side, you can see here the fuel cell and everything is right there. Then you have the filler neck on the top of the fuel cell. So what we did, we went ahead and we busted this window out, and we're going to put a giant metal gusset in here that's going to fully rivet in all the way around, and it's going to have a gas fill cap. And then we're going to tint a piece of plexiglass and cut in a plexiglass window, fully riveted in all the way around. We went ahead. So those of you that have been actually following us have seen the shop update videos. We have been, as of like 2 nights ago, started dialing in our plasma cutter. As you can see, we got all our test cuts going. We have them pretty clean. We have the circles and the squares. One of your basic test cut files. We did draw the file and do everything ourselves just for practice and everything. So what I did today, I created a cardboard template, and then I uploaded it into a QCAD program, and then I traced over it and I made our big gas filler gusset that's basically going to rivet into the windshield frame. So it kind of sits like this is the roof line of the truck. So you have your gas fill that'll go in there. We have a couple more holes that we'll have to manually drill. We don't have the actual fill cap yet, so we'll do those holes like normal way. So we did go ahead and we did our first initial cut with it. As you can see, it's cut out right there. Turned out great. And then we have our secondary gusset right there, which I'm going to show you. Isaiah is cleaning them up, getting the fitment on them just right. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you that. So here are our two plates. Here's gonna be the window gusset, and here's gonna be the little overlay behind. So what do you got going on?
So I convinced Travis to spend a little bit more time on the CAD, basically copying out this section that we had here and cutting out this, so then it perfectly matches up right here. So let's see, get it lined up. All the rivet holes line up right there. Pop those guys in, and then we can rivet that on. The glass will sit, or the plexiglass will sit right there.
Fancy. Ooh, look at that.
Got it all fitted up. Had to trim a little bit of plastic out.
So basically the top piece is going to rivet into the body of the truck, and then this other piece, it allows the plexiglass to sit flush with the gusset there, so the plexiglass can rivet all the way around the window and everything will be flat when we're done. But looks really good. It's going to look really good with that cap in there and all the rivets with some gloss black paint on there.
up, guys? This is Isaiah here. So today I harassed Travis into doing some TIG welding on this little structure we're building. A little sheet metal holder for all the metal that we're doing in the garage. He's burning some hot ones right now. Surfing.
Alright, we're going to go ahead and lay some paint on this thing. Always hit your edges first. And I'm going to let that dry for me. Alright guys, so here we go. I do have this gusset. It is prepped up. I have all the little step down gusset rivets all the way in. We did weld the back side of it just to seal it up. I am going to use this, the right stuff. It's like a 1 minute black silicone. It's for like rear differentials and stuff. But I'm gonna use it because it's black and I know it seals good. I personally trust it a lot better than just regular silicone. I know it's probably basically the same thing, but I know it's easy to clean up and I know it works really well. I've used it quite a bit and I honestly just have like 7 bottles of it. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna run a nice, pretty decent sized bead around the back. I'm gonna put the plate in there, just like this. So that's gonna go in there. And then I'm gonna start sending the rivets all the way around. Alright, so there you have it. That piece is fully riveted in. Couple spots right there. All along the top there, you can see the silicone kind of squeezed out. So that's how I know we got a nice good seal. The shadow's like right in the way, but it's squeezing out there. I did run a bead all the way down, so all the way to here it should be sealed, and all the way here should be sealed, so the whole thing. So then when we go and do the window, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna run silicone this whole way, all the way around. I'm gonna take it inside, I'm gonna run some tint on it, and then I'm gonna come out here and I'm gonna rivet that in right next to it with the silicone and everything, and it's gonna look just like a tinted window, like any regular old window, but it's gonna have a gas fill and it's gonna have a line of rivets all the way around. It's gonna look pretty cool. Alright guys, there it is. So the piece of plexiglass is in, fully riveted all the way around. The only thing we have to do now is when the actual billet gas fill cap comes in, we'll slide it in there, we'll mark our 3 holes, we'll drill it, we'll bolt that thing in, and then on the inside here, we're gonna have to run our hose from up there down here to the fuel cell. So it'll have a little hose just going up to the side of the window there. As far as the side little holes, we do have this little plastic cover that goes on like so. It needs to kind of snap in place, but that will basically cover all that little back spot. That way it kind of matches factory over here still. But that basically will just pop into place. I'm gonna leave it off right now. I think I'm gonna clean them both up. I think I'm gonna pop the other side off and maybe just give them a coat of gloss black or something just to clean them up. But that's gonna be a wrap for this video. Thanks again for liking. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. We're gonna get back on the 4-link here now that we have our plasma cutter going. Thanks again for watching, guys. Peace out. See you next time.